Hey, good afternoon. Hey, this is my review of the services for Pitt's data recovery. So far, I've had a pretty good experience with them. I had a hard drive for my computer that was making some very bad clicking noises after a power outage, and couldn't boot the computer back up with it. Couldn't plug it into another device and get the data off. It was dead in the water. I took it to my local branch here. They had to send it off to another location, and after that, just today they had the internet conference call where they were able to show me the files that they'd been able to recover from the thing. They're exactly what I had asked them to look for, which was very nice. Nothing more. I'm very excited to see the rest of that, and hopefully that will get me right back on process with my home projects, because that's where all of them are stored. So yeah, so far so good, I think. Thank you. Y'all have a great one, and goodbye.